And we're back to learning Illustrator day 204. Let me show you how you can use this multi-stroke effect with even transparent outlines. To do it, we use the same method that I've shown here in the last video. So we use the appearance menu, add a couple of fills. This time it has to be an uneven number. So 3, 5, 7. We'll start with 3. First one is the regular fill. Second one will be the first outline. I make that black. And I use the offset at around 10. And the third one, I make it red again, and I use an offset of 20. So we have 2 strokes basically, which are the 2 offsets and the regular fill. And what you need to do to create your transparency is to first select it, go to Object and use Expand Appearance. And now you can use the Shape Builder tool, hold Alt and just left click on the black areas. And that should already be it. Let me drag that to the transparent area outside of the canvas here on the right, and you can see that. So this is now a transparent outline that's in between these 2 red elements, our regular fill and the second offset. And this is the method that you can use. Let us do it again. This time I use 5 fill colors. And always alternate. So red, black, red, black, red. I go to the second fill, create the first offset of 10 pixels. Then for the third fill, the second offset has 20 pixels, then 30, then 40. I have to go to Object, Expand the Appearance, and then I can use the Shape Builder tool. Keep in mind when you use more than 1 transparent offset, so in this case we use 2, this is going to take a little bit more time to get processed by Illustrator, especially as you progress through the entire thing. So here at first it deletes it rather quickly, but as I move to the right hand side and there are more areas to be deleted, at some point it's going to take a couple of seconds each time. That's quite normal, even with a faster PC. Let me speed up this video at this point. Once again, as a reminder, I always hold Alt and then I left click, so this deletes elements. And now we've got it. This is how I can create this multi-stroke transparent effect in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.